this is Nami at DeNami Design. Today I want to show you how to make this leafy frame card, and it's really easy to do. I'll show you step by step on how to do it. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get this charcoal gray cardstock that's available on the DeNami website, and just fold it in half. And this cardstock is quite nice because it just folds easily without needing a bone folder. And then what you're going to do is get the silver iridescent paper that we have on our website, and just figure out what kind of a frame you want. This is going to be like a little accent piece, and just notch it with your fingernail, or you can use a pencil if that's easier for you to see. And then just using a paper trimmer, just go ahead and cut that down to wherever you notched it. Very easy to do, just like this. And then now what you're going to do is take the white cardstock like this, and you're going to do the same thing. So I just want only a little bit of the silver to show. So you're just going to eyeball it, take a look at what you want showing, and then just notch it with your fingernail like this, and then like this. And once again, just use a paper trimmer and just cut it off. All right, so just set this aside. The next thing you want to do is take the white cardstock that you just trimmed off, and then using the smoky gray Versafine ink pad, you're going to use this square and just stamp it right wherever you want it to be. And then I'm just going to take a scrap cardstock, just like that, and just stamp another square that you're just going to cut out with scissors. And this will be your little mask. So you just cut it out, just like that. Now that I've cut out the little mask, you're just going to cover up the original one, and then using this leafy branch, and with a smoky gray, you're just going to stamp it directly around the frame. Just make sure that the frame doesn't shift and stays in place. And then all you have to do is remove this, and you've got a perfect little frame. So now what you're going to do is take this same smoky gray and use your little sentiment. This one says, "You're the best." It's a good versatile one for all around. And then using the TOMBOW gray markers, you're just going to trace over wherever you want. I'm highlighting the little branches right here. Now I'm going to use this medium gray, just go over the leaves. Now you're going to take the darker gray and just highlight just little parts of the leaf. I'm going to go back to the medium gray and just trace over the frame. Okay, then I'm going to use the pearl pen, and I'm just going to highlight different spots that I want to have dimensional. You can put this either on the leaves or just around it. So this pearl pen is available on our website. It's really thick, so sometimes you have to actually push down in order to stop the flow, but it gives it a really nice dimensional look to it. So now I'm going to take the Quickie glue pen, which looks like this, and I'm just going to highlight all the leaves. You can do it on the branches or just on the leaves. It doesn't really matter, wherever you like. All right, then using a card to catch the glitter, I'm using the Lavender Frost glitter. It has just a slight lavender tint to it. You can use the blue ice. Look how pretty that is. Now what I'm going to do is layer them all together. So I'm just going to take this, and that's it. Look at this elegant card. Didn't this turn out nice? Now you can see all the dimension. You probably want to let it dry for a few hours just so that the pearls don't flatten out. but it just has a really elegant look. So you could see the pearls, how they're dimensional like that. Very simple. And you could do other monochromatic looks. You can use maybe a light blue and then do some light blue glitter with that, or you could do a lavender. You can do even the brown. You can do different looks, and this works great for either for men or for women. It doesn't have to just be, a lot of cards tend to look more feminine, so this is a nice generic one that you can use. And you could just change this out and have this be for a wedding card too. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you next time. Be sure to like this, leave a comment, click on that little bell so that you get notifications, and follow us on social media. See you next time. Thanks again. Bye.